हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम वंस अगेन। कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद करते हैं आप लोग सब खुश होंगे। सो नाउ वी स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक ऑफ द चैप्टर इंटीग्रेशन। सी द methods of finding the integration. So we evaluate the integral which can be reduced to standard form by algebraic or a trigonometric simplification. So this year we are going to study three methods. First one is integration by substitution, second is integration by parts method, then integration by partial fraction. So some part of the partial fraction should be removed. वो मैं आपको टाइम आने के ऊपर जब शुरू करेंगे तब बता ही दूंगा कि कौन सा पार्ट रिमूव किया हुआ है. बट so here we start the first type, and before going to start the integration by substitution we have to prove the theorem. So open your textbook and see the theorem. Okay, see the theorem. This is a statement of theorem. If x equals to phi of t is a differentiable function of t, then integration f of x dx equals to integration f of phi of t into phi dash t dt. Right? So this is the statement. So see, let x equals to phi of t is the function, differentiable function of t, then therefore dx by dt is phi dash t. Right, now let consider integration f of x dx is g of x. Right, therefore by definition derivative of g of x equals to f of x. Right, then by chain rule derivative of f of dt of g of x, that means derivative of g of x with respect to t. Right, so that is according to chain rule ddx of g of x into dx by dt. Right, multiply dx by dx, or by using chain rule we say. So see here, ddx of g of x is what? ddx of g of x is f of x, right, into dx by dt. Now x is what? X is phi of t, so it is f of phi of t, and dx by dt is phi dash t. Right, now by definition of integration, if derivative of g of x is this right side, then integration of right side is g of x. Right, so g of x equals to integration of this right side. Okay, now g of x is what? G of x is nothing but integration of f of x. So we got integration of f of x dx equals to integration of f of phi t into phi dash t dt. So this should be the proof of this theorem. Right, see the example depending on this theorem, that say this is example on the substitution method. Say integration, evaluate integration 3x square sin x cube dx. Right, so if we put sin x cube equals to t, what do we get? 3x square dx dt. 3x square dx equals to dt. So therefore after substitution what do we get? Integration of sin x cube means t, and 3x square dx is dt, and integration of sin t dt is minus cos t plus c, and resubstitute the value of t, that is x cube. See the corollary. First, if integration f of x dx equals to g of x plus c, then integration f of x plus b dx equals to g of x plus b into 1 upon a plus c. Right, this is also known as the important result, that is we seen in 11th class also. So now see the proof of this corollary. Let I is the left side we consider integration of f of x plus b dx, and put ax plus b equals to t, and if we differentiate both sides, what we get? A constant, derivative of dx is x is dx, and plus derivative of b is 0, and equals to derivative of t with respect to t is 1. That means dt equals to 1 upon dx equals to 1 upon a dt is obtained. So what we get? I equals to integration of f of t 1 upon a dt. 1 upon a is constant, take outside the integral, and integration f of t dt. So 1 upon a integration f of t is what? G of t plus c according to this given result. Right, so g of t plus c, and t is what? Ax plus b, so 1 upon a g of ax plus b plus c. That means integration of f of ax plus b equals to g of ax plus b plus g of ax plus b into 1 upon a plus c, right? So this is also known as a important result because it is applicable on the every formula of integration. See example, integration of sec square 5x minus 4 dx equals to what? Say here 1 upon 5, because here sec square ax plus b if we consider, so here a equals to 5 and b equals to minus 4. So an integration of sec square is tan. So it is 1 upon 5, is 1 upon a tan 5x minus 4 plus c. This should be the result in that case, right? See the next corollary, that integration of f of x to the power n into f dash x dx equals to f of x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. The condition is n not equals to minus 1. So here also prove, say I equals to, again consider the left side of the proof, put f of x equals to t f dash x dx dt होगा, then integration of t to the power n dt, what do we get? I equals to integration of t, f of x is t to the power n plus 1, here is mistake, here we have to consider only f of left side is f of x to the power n, right? So here f of x to the power n, so we get t to the power n dt because f dash x dx is dt. So result of this is t to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, and if we resubstitute t equals to f of x, what we get? F of x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. This should be the final answer in this case, right? So here should be the mistake in the textbook if we see. So here only f of x to the power n, that is left side of the proof, right? See the example on that, integration of sin inverse x cube upon root 1 minus x square dx. So that is what? Integration of sin inverse x to the power 3 into 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx. This is written as like this, right? So these both are the same term, but only 1 upon root 1 minus x square written separately here. Now it is see, it is in the form of f of x into f dash x, where 1 upon root 1 minus x square is the integration of sin inverse x, right? So what is the result of this here? Sin inverse n plus 1, 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 means 4. So sin inverse x to the power 4 upon 4 plus c. This is the final answer, right? See the next corollary, corollary number 3rd, that this is the important one, that integration of f dash x upon f of x dx is log of f of x plus c, right? So again consider the left side of the proof, put x f of x equals to t, f dash x dx is dt, right? So what do we get after substitution? That integration 1 by t dt, and integration 1 by t is what? Log of t. T is what? F of x. So log of f of x plus c. This is the result of final, right? So this is very important because it is used in a lot in examples, right? See example how we use here. Say that integration of 1 upon, sorry, this one, integration of cot x dx, right? So cot can be written as cos x upon sin x. So integration of cos x upon sin x dx. Now we know that the derivative of sin x is cos x, so this can be written as derivative of sin x upon sin x dx, that is f dash x upon f of x, right? F dash x upon f of x. The result is log of f of x, so log of sin x plus c. This is the final answer, right? See the next corollary, that the corollary number 4 in your textbook, that integration of f dash x upon root f of x equals dx equals to 2 root f of x. How we remember this one? That f dash x upon root f of x, right, is equals to 2 root f of x if we integrate that. So again consider the left side and put f of x equals to t, f dash x dx is dt, right? So what do we get after substitution? 1 by root t dt. Now if we adjust 2 here, to multiply divide कर दिया तो 2 into 1 upon 2 root t dt, and integration of 1 upon 2 root means root t plus c, that is 2 times root t means f of x plus c. This is a result of this corollary, right? See the example depending on this. See the integration of 1 upon x into root log x dx, right? So this can be written as 1 upon x upon root log x. Now if we see log derivative of log x is 1 by x, so 1 by x can be written as derivative of log x. Now it is f dash x upon root f of x, so result is 2 times root log x plus c, right? So this is the answer. Now see the some solved examples here that evaluate integration of tan x dx. So tan is written as sin upon cos, and we know that derivative of cos is minus sign. So multiply this minus sign 2 times, minus minus plus is there. So minus of integration of minus sign upon cos. Now this is the standard form of f dash x upon f of x. So integration of f dash x upon f of x is what? Log of f of x. So what we get? Minus log of cos x, and this is nothing but minus sign goes to the power, that means cos to the power minus 1, that is 1 upon cos x, and 1 upon cos is nothing but sec x. So final answer is what? Log of sec x plus c, right? Okay. See the activity integration of cot 5x minus 4 dx. So let us this integration of what is the what do we have to write here? Cot is nothing but cos upon sin x. So ये blank इसमें क्या आएगा? Cos 5x minus 4, right? Then okay, so यहाँ 5 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कर दिया, so 5 इंटू कॉस 5x माइनस 4, और यहाँ 1 अपॉन 5 आना चाहिए, और यहाँ पे साइन 5x माइनस 4, राइट? बिकॉज यहाँ पे डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन 5x माइनस 4 इज व्हाट? 5 इंटू कॉस 5x माइनस 4 आएगा, ठीक है? देयरफॉर ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म हो गया फिर. सो 1 अपॉन 5 इंटू लॉग ऑफ सेक 5x माइनस 4 प्लस c. नाउ सेक कैसे आया? सो सेक मीन्स हियर कॉस अपॉन साइन किया था, मतलब एफ डैश एक्स अपॉन एफ ऑफ एक्स किया तो यहाँ लॉग ऑफ कॉस आना चाहिए था, राइट? बट टू द पावर माइनस 1 आता है, सो दैट शुड बी 1 अपॉन कॉस. 1 अपॉन कॉस मीन्स सेक, राइट? सो 1 अपॉन 5 लॉग ऑफ सेक एक्स, सेक ऑफ 5x माइनस 4, ये फाइनल आंसर आ जाएगा, राइट? सी द नेक्स्ट वन. So integration of sec x dx equals to log of sec x plus tan x, right? So let I is integration of sec x dx, integration of यहाँ sec x plus tan x से multiply divide किया है, ठीक है? Then sec into sec, sec square plus sec into tan, right? Now if you see, this is the standard form because derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x, and derivative of tan x is sec square x. So derivative of sec x plus tan x is sec x into tan x plus sec square x, like this, right? So this should be the standard form here mentioned, and therefore result is log of sec x plus tan x, or this is another result of integration of sec x is log of tan x by 2 plus pi by 4 plus c. This is another result, right? See the second activity, that integration of cosec x dx is log of cosec x minus cot x, right? Again consider that integration of cosec x, that let I is equal to integration of cosec x, right? Then how we find it? Here cosec x minus cot x से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, राइट? cosec x माइनस cot x से मल्टीप्लाई किया और डिवाइड किया, जैसे पिछले प्रूफ में किया हुआ है. उसके बाद cosec इंटू cosec, cosec स्क्वायर एंड cosec इंटू cot, ये इस तरीके से आ जाएगी स्टेप, ठीक है? डिनोमिनेटर एज इट इज, और डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cosec माइनस cot करोगे तो log ऑफ cosec माइनस cot आता है. सो ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म आ जाएगा ये वाला according to this. So result is log of cosec minus cot, or this is another result, integration of cosec is log of tan x by 2 plus c, right? Then see the solved example. Very easy example is here again, that evaluate the following integration, that integration of cot of log x upon x, right? So let I is given integral by substitution method. If we substitute log x equals to t, we get 1 upon x dx is dt. So when we substitute these two things here, what we get? I is equal to integration of cot of x, sorry, log x equals to t. So here actually we got t, right? And cot t means actually cot t means cos t upon sin t, right? And if we see derivative of sin is cos, so f dash x upon f of x there, so result is log of sin x plus what plus c is the constant of integration, right? So this should be the final answer in this case. And some examples, again some examples are solved, so try to understand that and try to attempt the examples of the exercise also, right?